Tell everybody who you are. Welcome, man.
Hey, thank you, Kyle. Hi, I'm Bernie Hallums. I'm a 32-year veteran of law enforcement. I believe in blue lives and what you all do out there for a living, but I also subscribe to the fact that we need community to do what we do. So let's try and bridge those gaps and make things work for all of us.
Let's dive right into it, man. Not a left versus right issue, simply a common sense in the world of law enforcement, community policing, and the community. Why don't you bring everyone up to speed on this whole police accountability bill?
The accountability bill has many facets to it. The one that is most troubling for law enforcement officers is qualified immunity. And my understanding of it, as I've read it, is basically as it stands now, if you do something under color of your authority, you are covered by your town, your municipality. If you don't do something, you wouldn't be covered anyway. What my understanding is this bill, if enacted, would take away that immunity for officers and potentially put them on the hook for their own lawyer fees to cover themselves from lawsuits provided against them, both frivolous and sustained.
Where exactly is this money going to come from in the state of Connecticut for all these policies, number one? Number two, if it's going to fall back on the officer to pay the overage, at some point the officer is going to say, you know what, this isn't worth it.
I think it's a bad move. I think it's political posturing.
And not for nothing, I want to move on to the next topic because we are seeing this movement where companies are trying to be social justice warriors on either side. Dollar Shave Club put out a blog where they put, and I quote, "These last few months have really tested the boundaries of our ability to be stressed. Just as you think you couldn't possibly feel more emotionally taxed amidst thousands of people dying every single day from coronavirus, bam, we're confronted once again with the systematic murder of black people by police and increasingly blatant fascist suppression of the protests surrounding them."
A lot of people think the battle lines are Blue Lives Matter, Black Lives Matter. That is not the battle line at all.